Today, we'll solve the problem. Find without a calculator the exact value of tangent squared pi over 18 plus tangent squared 5 pi over 18 plus tangent squared 7 pi over 18. This might look challenging at first, but with a powerful trigonometric identity, it becomes much simpler. Let theta be an element of the set pi over 18, 5 pi over 18, 7 pi over 18. Then, 3 theta is an element of the set pi over 6, 5 pi over 6, 7 pi over 6. And we have tangent squared 3 theta equals 1 over 3. Recall that the triple angle formula for tangent is tangent 3 theta equals 3 tangent theta minus tangent cube theta over 1 minus 3 tangent squared theta. Which leads to three tangent squared theta times 1 minus tangent squared theta squared equals 1 minus 3 tangent squared theta squared. Let u equal tangent squared theta. Then 3u times 1 minus u squared equals 1 minus 3u squared. Which expands to 3u cubed minus 27u squared plus 33u minus 1 equals 0. From this cubic equation, the sum of the roots is sum u equals negative of negative 27 over 3, which equals 9. Therefore, tangent squared pi over 18 plus tangent squared 5 pi over 18 plus tangent squared 7 pi over 18 equals 9. Additionally, the product of the roots is tangent squared pi over 18 times tangent squared 5 pi over 18 times tangent squared 7 pi over 18 equals 1 over 3. And there you have it, a satisfying conclusion using the power of algebra and trigonometric identities to find the exact sum without a calculator. If you found this approach interesting, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more elegant math explorations. In case you are curious about why we have the triple angle formula for tangent, here is the general result for tangent n theta. This powerful identity can be derived using Euler's formula. Expanding this using the binomial theorem, we separate the real and imaginary parts. We have, and then form the ratio, tangent n theta equals sin n theta over cos n theta, resulting in the alternating series we just mentioned. For example, for n equals 2, tangent 2 theta equals 2 tangent theta over 1 minus tangent squared theta. For n equals 3, tangent 3 theta equals 3 tangent theta minus tangent cubed theta over 1 minus 3 tangent squared theta.